Hello and welcome to this video. I will show you step by step how to contact Eldorado seller. If you want to contact Eldorado seller, follow me in this video guide. First step, you have two options here. Go to your profile, go to order. From the order, you have purchase orders, as you can see here, this option. From the purchase order, if you have any order, make order, you will see a contacts option in this section. So from this one, you can see your contact option, or you can use the messages, as you can see here. From the messages, after you make a first purchase, you can see your conversation with the seller. So just make your purchase. For example, you have this item, Fortnite item. If you want to buy this item, when you buy and make a purchase, you can see the option for contact a seller. This is how you can do. And if you have any problem, you can use this conversation with the bots, and then you will see your contacts option from here with a seller. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video.